Welcome to TeamUp. We are a collection of developers from Queenstown and Wanaka who love tinkering with new ideas, open data, and making the most of the beautiful area where we live. Dave Sherwin, ex-fintech and compulsive haver of ideas. Andreas Shovel, Swedish craftsman with an eye for detail. Jonathan Hollingsworth, full-time geek, bad at parties. So what is TrackUP? Well, TrackUP provides real-time availability information for users of the walking and cycle tracks around Queenstown Lakes District, with an instant reporting tool in case the public find a problem. Let's look at some of the use cases it covers. Mark wants to hike Ben Lomond today. He pulls out his phone and checks the track status. It all looks great. But an hour into the hike, he notices there's been a significant mud slippage. He quickly snaps a picture, writes a few notes, and carries on with his hike. And here we can see the app in action. Mark selects to report an issue, uses the phone's camera, takes a picture of the problem, saves it back to the camera, writes a few words about the problem to give the people back at the council some context information, and then send that back to the council. That will instantly be updated, and the council can now take action. Back at the council, Sarah receives a notification from the problem Mark encountered. She can review the photo to check the severity and then instantly issue updates to all users of TrackUP that there is a problem on this trail. Another quick click and the appropriate contractor is informed and the work is scheduled. Later in his hike, Mark notices a region where the wildling pines are really starting to take hold. He pulls out his camera again, snaps a picture, and once again the council are informed and can take cheap, quick preventative measures. As can sometimes happen in the mountains, the weather turns quickly and Mark is trapped on the mountain, unable to see where to go. He hits the emergency button on TrackUP and his coordinates are immediately sent to the council where the situation can be triaged and help dispatched directly to his location. As a progressive web app, this will work in patchy coverage and able to send messages when a phone call may not be possible. TrackUP is a progressive web app that's able to be used in areas of low or no internet connectivity once it's been downloaded. It's hosted on GitHub and takes data from the Queenstown Lakes District Council walkways and mountain bike trails and overlays this GeoJSON onto Google Maps. An ASP.NET web service hosted on Azure receives the pictures and GeoJSON information from the user, sent over a REST API.